Yeah, sorry if the energy's not here just yet. Don't worry, we'll get it energized here pretty soon. Just had to sit through the Bruiser Sunshine game for like 30 minutes. That was a nightmare. Coop dude, easy
No.
reception. Alpha Life, you look pretty looking to score here. We got Mekaju. Oh my god, good block, good run. Touchdown.
No, she can keep crying. I don't care.
Hell parent, I'm sweet. Ooh, touchdown Zenith. Here we go. Let's see our key players this
Really
game.
tight.
I'm not gonna repeat it on stream, but anyway, let's get our key players on stream. You feel me? We got the Lord Pred. Oh my God. Neighbor.
That is a prediction.
I mean, can we get like the actual teams playing? You feel me? Holy robot. Anyway, wait, that's a toss. Oh my God.
Chase? Like what? Oh wait, what the fuck?
Touchdown. Why? Wait, why not?
I'm horny.
Alright, cool. Okay. I'm losing my hair.
Wait, who are you talking to?
What's it called?
Better not have been me, boy.
Nah, it wasn't. Oh wait, picked by 19.
Chasers.
Bet.
I'll chase Gage out of shoes.
Okay, wait, touchdown Blizzards. Hold up.
So
I mean,
wait, man, no. Oh, it's on the ad right now.
alright, Sins, let's see something. Oh wait. Good throw.
Oh, it's 28-26. Type shit.
Wait.
Type shit.
Oh, that may have been pickable, but I'm not sure. That sounds sweet.
Yo, why you didn't invite Rice Patty Worker to the thing?
What, VC? Oh yeah, Rice Patty, you could join. Oh my God. EST with the, oh my goodness.
Oh, I do that.
The settings bar, I don't know.
Bro, let me check.
Basketball, wait until this drives up. Oh wait. Oh, under pressure finds Scoob, dude, that's crazy. I thought they had the sack.
Wow.
They blitzed him. Under pressure. Good throw. That's a great throw. Oh my goodness. Kubdu gets the. Oh, completes it the dark suture. That's tough. I don't know how that. I don't know how they let up a burn there, but. Wait a minute. That might be good. Oh my God. Well, forget the double thing. What just happened? That's gotta be him. Wait a minute. Wait.
No.
Oh man. Oh, that's crazy. I'm not gonna lie.